I got you too, Mike. I'll print the video.
Hey, put that down.
I get bored.
I like your stickers.
Oh, well, thank you.
What's this?
Look, it looks like there's like a scar on your hand.
I know. It looks like a scar. Sorry about that. Abby don't like her person taken.
Nobody.
That's illegal.
Yeah, that's
Not Pennsylvania.
Yes.
No, sorry.
Illegal in Alaska, Hawaii.
I've done a lot of things illegal in Pennsylvania, but it don't stop me.
Oh, don't do that.
I want to know what that freaking little black spot is. Do you see that spot right there?
Yeah.
It's probably exactly. Here comes mine.